Hey everyone, welcome back. So if your HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 suddenly stopped printing and is showing that annoying paper jam error, don't worry, you're not alone. It happens to a lot of people, and honestly, it's not as scary as it looks. Maybe you tried to print something and now the paper is stuck inside, or the printer just keeps saying there's a jam even though you don't see any paper. Yeah, super frustrating, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it, step by step. By the end of this video, your printer will be back to normal and ready to print again. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Alright, make sure your printer is on. Then, go ahead and open that front door. Next, open the cartridge access door right above it. Now, take a look inside. See if there's any paper stuck in there. If you can't see clearly, gently slide the printhead carriage all the way to the right and left to get a better view. Once that's done, go ahead and open the paper path cover. Check this area carefully for any bits of paper that might be stuck. If you find any, just pull them out slowly and gently, don't force it. Alright, now grab a lint-free cloth or cotton swab and some distilled water. Lightly dampen the cloth, just a little bit. You don't want to soak it wet, okay? Make sure it's slightly moist. Be careful, don't let any water drip inside the printer. Now, use that damp cloth to gently wipe down the paper rollers. Once you're done cleaning, let those rollers dry completely. Give it around 10 minutes to dry completely. Alright, after everything's nice and dry, put the paper path cover back in place. Then close both the front door and the cartridge access door. Next up, open the output tray cover. Press the button on the tray to slide it out. Now, pull out the input tray. Take a look inside this area too. Sometimes paper gets jammed way in there. If you still haven't found the jam, tilt your printer gently to one side, either to the left or to the right, so you can check the bottom. Inspect that area carefully and remove any jam bits of paper you see. And while you're at it, give the rollers underneath a quick clean with that same damp cloth. Once everything looks good, slide the input and output tray back in and set your printer back upright. Finally, if your printer screen still shows a paper jam message, tap OK to clear it and you're done.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.